Hey, welcome to Mr. Juan's neighborhood. We are here above the town of San Sebastian de Oeste. It's in Mexico, in Jalisco, and we're up on a high elevation in a place called La Bufa. We've got a great view of everything. We can even see Puerto Vallarta out there. What we're gonna do is we're gonna make some coffee cocktails. The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna use Fortaleza Añejo. This is a stone crushed tequila, so done in the traditional method of production. It is aged up to 2 years. We're gonna do 2 ounces. Next, Ancho Reyes. Ancho Reyes is an ancho chili liqueur. It's got pasilla and guajillo chilies in it as well. It's a sugarcane base. This product's also from Mexico. It comes from Puebla. We're gonna use 3/4 of an ounce of this. Now we're gonna take us across the ocean. This is Averna Amaro. This comes from Italy. We're gonna use a 1/2 ounce of this Averna. Averna has a nice orange quality to it, but I want to add a little bit of extra orange, so I'm going to use Cointreau. And we're going to go 1/2 ounce on the Cointreau too. So obviously we don't need too much dilution, none. So I'm just going to give this a quick little stir. So we're going to pour this directly into our coffee mug. And next we're going to top this baby up with some coffee. I'd say about 4 ounces. Maybe 5 ounces. I'm gonna give it a stir. Salud.